Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you the if node. It's a simple node but has powerful usage. So to showcase it, I made this a simple JavaScript in a code node. If you don't know how to get it, just go here, write code, and you will have. You can select from JavaScript or Python. I chose JavaScript, and I made this script. It's a simple script that generates a number randomly from 1 to 3. With that done, let's go to the if. Again, same concept. Just go here, if, and you will have. If we double click the node, as you can see, it starts out with a single condition. You can add more, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. So let's keep it to 1. We'll explore those later. So here you get the value, the input that the node will get, and you get the condition. There's a lot, there's a string, there's a number, date, boolean, array, and object. It has a lot of usage. But the neat thing about this is if we run the code node, so we got the number 3, all right, perfect. And if we go to the if node, so it's set to string here. But if we take this and put here, it automatically detects that it's a number and changes it or a number, all right? So of course the condition is either exists, equals to, not equal to, greater. You got all of these, so pick and choose whatever you desire for your workflow. And of course it's equal to 1. In this case it put 0, we'll leave it at 0. And if we execute the node, as you can see, the number we got was 3. It's not equal to 0, so the true branch didn't go, but the false branch did. So if we go outside, as you can see, it went here. All right, add another condition, and here you might see this and or. So and is basically if these two conditions are correct, then it passes to true, or is if either one of these is correct, it passes to true. So we'll leave it at 10. We take this and we leave it to equal to 2, and we write 3. All right, so we execute the step, and as you can see, it went out there. So that's the if node simply, but there's a trick to it. Is in either the true or false branch, you can press the plus and you can add another if. All right, so you can theoretically go if. You might find this useful. So another trick is if you add other conditions, like for example 2, 3 more, and you change the and or, other conditions will follow the one up top. So you can go here and then or, and then and then or. So it's either all and or all or. So keep that in mind.